Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to download Fedex application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store from your app drawer. In the search box popping up at the top of the screen, type in Fedex. Once you are done, look for the application that says Fedex Mobile from Fedex. Now tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your iPhone. Once you are logged in with your Apple ID, you will then be able to start the download process. Fedex is a global leader in express delivery service. It offers a range of shipping, tracking, and package management solutions. Whether you are sending an envelope, package, or freight, Fedex has you covered. Wait for the application to download and install, which may take a couple of minutes, depending upon your internet speed. So always make sure to download the application only if you have a good internet connection. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open Fedex app on your iPhone. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.